So you got a mortgage rate that people would trade their favorite child for. 2.75, 3.625, whatever it is. It's the kind of rate that feels like a badge of honor. You scored it during the golden era of money. So when you hear the word cash out refinance, your first thought is probably, nope, why would I give up this unicorn rate? And I totally get it. That's the emotional brain talking. Now let's hear from the financial side of the brain. Here's a better question. What's my total cost of borrowing? Because while you're clinging on to that low mortgage rate like the holy grail, you're also sitting on $20,000, maybe $43,000, maybe even $100,000 in credit card or personal debt, paying 18 to 28% interest on that debt, and maybe losing sleep because of it. So yeah, your mortgage rate is beautiful, but the rest of your financial life, not so much. The smart move, run the math, not the emotions. Your overall borrowing costs might drop significantly even if your mortgage rate goes up a little bit. And a bonus, you might even walk away with an emergency fund you didn't have before. So here's what's happening right now. Tariffs are rattling the market, the stock market specifically. Portfolio values are seesawing like a toddler at a jungle gym. And if you looked at your 401k, you probably flinched. But let's talk about what hasn't been flinching. Real estate has not. While stocks dip, housing values in many markets are still climbing, or at least holding steady. And that is the opportunity. You're sitting on equity that's growing even while the rest of your assets may be shrinking. That makes right now the perfect moment to ask, should I wait until I need the money? Or get ahead of the storm and secure access to money right now? Because here's something that every financially savvy person knows. It is easier to get money when you don't need it. When things go sideways, a job loss, a market crash, emergencies, you don't want to be scrambling to pull together cash and apply for a loan. A cash out refinance lets you access your money now before the storm hits. You don't have to spend it. Just having it there can be a very big game changer. Oh, by the way, peace of mind is a strategy too. Let me say something that might ruffle some feathers. Your home equity is not a trophy. It's not something to admire and brag about. It's a tool. It's your tool, and tools are meant to be used. You don't buy a power drill at Home Depot just to keep it in the garage and say, oh, wow, look at that beauty. I've never used it. Same goes for your home equity. And no, I'm not saying drain your house dry and blow it on a wild weekend in Vegas. I'm saying pay off high interest debt. Rebuild your savings. Create a financial breathing room for you and your family. Maybe invest in something that makes money or saves you time. It's not about taking a step back by refinancing into a higher rate. It's about optimizing your financial ecosystem. A few points on your mortgage rate doesn't mean much if you save thousands elsewhere. Let that sink in for a minute. Let's talk emergencies. Emergency funds aren't optional, in my opinion. They are a strategic armor. Not in a doom and gloom type of way, but in a grown-up way. Let's be real way. Emergencies are coming. It's not if, just when. And if you don't have cash ready when life goes, well, you know, that car breaks down, There's a job shift that you had no control over. Your kid needs braces. It's stress city. That's why building an emergency fund is one of the most strategic financial moves you can make. A cash out refinance isn't about reacting to a disaster. It's about being unshakable if and when one happens. It's about being the person that says, hey, I got this covered, instead of, oh my gosh, what are we going to do? And here's the wild part. You can set it up now. And if rates drop in 2026, like most economists are predicting, refinance again, optimize again, rinse and repeat. This isn't a one-time play. It's a smart move in a longer financial game. Let's be honest. Most people are paralyzed right now. And I believe that freeing is the most expensive move you can make. When you freeze, nothing happens. They see this in the chaos in the news and they think, better wait, better do nothing. But in the world of money, doing nothing is doing something. It's choosing to stay in debt. It's choosing to miss opportunities. It's choosing stress over clarity. Planning beats panic every single time. Right now, you can pay off that bad debt, and that bad debt is likely double digits. Right now, you can secure an emergency cushion. Right now, you can lower your total cost of borrowing and free up hundreds in monthly cash flow and still leave room for future refinancing. But you have to take action. No. Not reckless action. Strategic, informed, financial smart action. Let's take a breath here. This video isn't a sales pitch. It's an invitation to clarity. Clarity is not a sales pitch. It's a conversation to clear the path to wealth creation. Now, I'm not saying a cash out refinance is right for everyone, but I am saying you deserve to know what's possible and explore what options you have. You deserve to see the whole picture, not just your mortgage rate. What if a quick conversation could uncover thousands in monthly savings every month? What if a conversation with a mortgage strategist at the Martini Mortgage Group could not just rebuild your emergency fund, but wipe it out your worst debt? Wouldn't that be worth a 15-minute conversation? Let me be 100% clear. This isn't just about numbers. It's about control. It's about confidence. And it's about finally breathing easier. Here's the Kevin Martini bottom line. You have worked hard for your equity. Now it is your time to make your equity work hard for you. This isn't about abandoning your low mortgage rate. It's about upgrading your entire financial picture. And the first step, not guessing, not Googling for hours. Just book a free call with either myself, Kevin Martini, or fellow mortgage strategist Logan Martini with the Martini Mortgage Group by dialing 919-238-4934. No pressure, no judgment, no obligation, just clarity tailored to your situation. Because doing nothing, that's not a plan. Let's build a plan together.